Let's review how to check the status of your ABS or CrashPlan backups. First, log into your server's graphical user interface using VNC, the DRAC, or the local console, and launch CrashPlan Desktop. If you don't have a shortcut on your desktop, you can create one very easily. Just right-click, Create Launcher, and type in CrashPlan Desktop. CrashPlan Desktop. Note the capitalization. You must have a capital C, P, and D for it to work. Press OK, and it will create a new shortcut. Here's the main dashboard. This is going to show you the status of every backup going to a destination from this server. This particular server is backing up to two different places. It's backing up to the ABS Online Backup Vault located in the Activant Austin Data Center. And it's also creating a second copy on the local disk for faster restores and the like. You can see the backup status for each, showing that the next backup is going to be in 17 minutes. The last backup was 3.7 hours ago. Likewise, last backup was 1 hour ago. Next backup's in 3 hours. The blue bar here indicates how much data has changed on the system since the last backup. The data in the vault is indicated by the blue portion of the bar. The data that's changed, or files that have changed on the disk, is the white portion of the bar. This may seem like a lot, but it's counting the entire file as having changed, not the individual pieces. When the backup process itself is run, however, it's only going to send block level differentials to the backup destination, which is very efficient on both time and space. So that shows you a quick snapshot of when the last backup was performed. If you'd like more detailed information, click the History button. You scroll to the bottom, this is the most recent backup. These entries will provide detailed information as to when the backup was completed, the timestamp, how long it took, how many files were backed up, how much data, changed pieces of data were sent, and the speed at which it was backed up. It's useful for troubleshooting information. You can see both local disk backups and ABS online backups are completing at regular intervals. You can keep an eye on this. To prevent the need of having to log into your server every day and check this manually, you can also set up email alerts. Under Settings, Backup, and then Email, you can schedule a report to be sent to you. Select the number of days. If you want a daily report, you can set that to 1. If you want a weekly report, leave it at 7. If you want a warning when the system hasn't backed up in X amount of days, just change it. Say I want a warning after 1 day of failed backups and an alert after 2. It will also tell you the from address and the to address that's configured for this particular server. If you'd like to receive a sample to make sure that your email is functioning, go ahead and click Send Now for either one of these buttons. When you're done making changes, click OK. You'll now receive daily, weekly, or however you've configured it, alerts. Once you're done checking the status of your backup, you can quit just by clicking the X button.